Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to install the PHP zip extensions in WHM. For this video, we'll be starting from the WHM account home screen. In the WHM search box, type Easy. Select Easy Apache 4 from the search results on the left. Select the Customize button. The PHP extensions link displays. Select the PHP extensions link to show the PHP extensions that can be installed. You can either use the search field if you know what you're looking for, or you scroll through the complete list by selecting the dropdown and selecting All. This shows all the available extensions. Select each extension you wish to install by selecting the switch to the right of each extension. When you finish selecting the extensions you want to enable, select the Review link on the left. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select the Provision button to enable the extensions. Something important to note: don't close the browser tab or navigate to another section of WHM until the provision is complete, or you'll cause issues with the install and possibly the server. Select the Done button, and you've now successfully installed a new PHP extension. That's how you install PHP zip extensions in WHM. Thanks for watching.